Alright, now let's see, guys, if this is going to work right. What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. Today we're trying to get the transmission lines hooked up on the 72 Bugle Sabre swap, but as y'all can see, it is not gonna work out. So I went and bought some hose, some clamps and stuff, and a little pipe bender, just so we can try to save some of the steel line and then run some hose. Y'all not gonna see me today. I'm super tired from last night's video. I'm just kind of barely moseying along, man. I really wasn't gonna record this until I ran into this issue, but I can show y'all on this side. Even if I get the metal bent right, dude, it's gonna be a long shot trying to get these to hook up. So yep, that's the plan. We'll cut it, we'll shorten it up, and we'll see y'all right after this intro. Peace.
She said, hey mom, day job, I don't feel it. I need race car, top down to match my ceiling. I don't have none.
Well, guys, I got the transmission lines cut where I want them. They're not gonna be hanging down like that. They're gonna be up. Matter of fact, they're gonna be up like that. I don't know if y'all can see, but anyways, I ran into a big issue. So check this out. So I was getting ready to measure this side so I can figure out what I need to do. And check this out. So this matches up to the metal side of the transmission line. Don't fit. Does not fit, guys. So finna get online, see what I can find. I know they don't have none of that stuff locally. Those are called inverted fittings. So we'll see what happens. We'll see y'all in a minute. What's up, guys? Last night was crazy. I got a little bit under the weather, but I did get the transmission stuff hooked up. Come on, brother. Come on, brother. But we did, oh, focus. We did get the transmission stuff hooked up, guys. And I didn't want to turn on the camera. It was dark. I was frustrated messing with the car. And let me show y'all what we got. So, we got, the Escalade pulling up. Right. So, as y'all can see, I ran the transmission lines with a hose right here, hose right there, all the way to here. Everything tucked up, looking real nice. I painted that last night. I got all the hoses hooked up. I gotta change this hose. This is the steam vent, and I had to go get this fitting just a minute ago, and I need to put that down there. Shout out to Jeremy Clay. You already know who you are. He told me that the map sensor don't go close right here. It's got to go towards the end. So we got that set up. But brother, tell him what you lost.
I lost.
Well, he threw it away.
I threw it in the trash and he got it.
So yeah, last night I was gonna put the air intake on, and then we found out that we accidentally threw away the 4 to 3 inch. So yeah, but it's all good. We bought another one. He gonna record and make that up. I already set the car back down. I kind of want to show y'all because we left the steel lines here. Hold on, let me show y'all. So y'all can see why I left the steel, so it won't get burnt. The hoses won't get burnt. So we got steel right there, and it's all tucked up nice and neat. So, well, I still gotta work on the wires, guys. All right, so y'all see this is the rest of the transmission lines. It was gonna be way too long and hang down way too low. So this is the rest of it. We don't need none of that stuff. Let's see what we got here. Well, we already know because we did this in the other video. We just had to buy another one. So that's gonna go there. But we did switch some things up. Because we got the mass airflow sensor right here. So that'll be there. And this is everything y'all missed last night. Me just really just getting the radiator hooked up and the transmission lines. Golly, I went blank. The heater coil hoses, got those hooked up. So, yep. Let's see here. I think we're gonna have to run for 45 right there. So we gotta get this thing to curve a little bit more than what it's curving. So we might go like that, guys. Because y'all remember how it looked on the first video. We had all this crap up here on the front and it looked, I didn't like the way it looked. You like the way it looked, brother? I didn't.
It was alright.
You don't remember. And we can go in more like that because we're going to have to have some room. Make sure the throttle's good though. Yeah. So we don't want to really tighten down on that yet, so I might have to move or tighten the hair. And then 3" to 3". Well, the other ones opened easy, didn't they? Really? So I gotta try to get most of this ready to go tonight, because tomorrow is my godson's kind of like baptizing, but we just presenting him to God. And I'm gonna drop a picture of me and him in the community section on my YouTube. Y'all stay tuned to that. And also, we had like 40,000 followers on Instagram now. So y'all go over there and follow Custom Instinct on Instagram. Yes, sir. That's a little tight. What I usually do, I put a little WD-40 on that. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, mama finna start yelling. She always yelling. Should we put it, since that one's facing backwards? You know what I mean? The letters? Cause it's gonna look weird. I just noticed that. Or we can do this one where the letters ain't showing, because we got the letters everywhere. Yeah, you know what? Yeah, that's what we did. Okay, so that'll be like that. God dang. That's the don't want to go. Alright, that's cool. Man, I don't know if it's gonna make it, brother. Look at that curve. Well, the radiator's gonna go back a little bit, so. Oh, we might get lucky. We might get lucky. That looks better though. Uh-oh. Is that coming? Oh no, it's just curving. So, yeah, that's not our only option like this. I mean, we could run something right here to curve it that way a little bit more. Then that battery's in the way. And we can always cut some stuff too. We can cut this down. So I don't think this is going all the way in there though. Let's mark that. So it's gonna go about right there. I guess that's right. So I really want it under, but then you don't want the hose. There we go. Right there. Like that. But I gotta unbolt this thing down here. But that'll look good. Let me see, brother. Let me see how it look on camera. Yeah, that'll be good. I gotta take this little bracket out of there. I think that'll look good. Time for B-roll. All right, knock it out. Hold it with 2 hands. Yeah, you gotta hold it though. That's a wobble socket. Yeah. All right, get your bolt out. Put it in your tray over there. Right there. All right, pull that. Put your gun down. Alright, pull that up. Bam, there you go. Throw that to the side. Alright, we're good. Alright, now let's see, guys, if this is going to work right. And I do have new radiator mounts. We're going to do that off camera. The ones that go up under the bottom, and I got the ones that go on the top. Oh, and I do have a surprise. I do have a surprise for the radiator bracket. Y'all gotta watch that in the next video though. And if y'all wanna see this thing finally run, y'all gotta watch that in the next video. So guess what y'all need to do? What they need to do?
Like and subscribe.
Y'all gonna have to subscribe, man, cause y'all ain't gonna get it in this one. So it'll be like that. Golly, bro. You know what? Let me just get this right first. Alright guys, hold on, let me get all this right. Alright guys, y'all seen it here first. We got everything knocked out. Hey, appreciate y'all rocking with the Silky Smooth gang. And y'all already know the routine. We'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.